whether Dawda was passed because now my lawyer Mbaika Memfo Ole Mko, Ama Miracle Dawda was personally involved in this whatever decision to rearrest this man, right? Now, but Yalong, we are talking broadly in the context of court orders being violated. Dawda Jallow has been justice minister for a long time now. Court order can violate Dawda Lebakoma because you are the minister of justice and attorney general. Okay? Court order can violate. Come nga fajang alaji bora ala mobile say nama police or police bol hanisai. Compensation on naga yeba mene freda wala case jang. Court order ka dile mansakunda ka violate and Dawda Jallow is the justice minister akakala mutale. Nobody can exonerate him from that. In terms of this specific case, Hussein case, Dawda did a bad job. The Minister of Justice did a terrible job in the first place. Now, Mune Natake, they are on the co. Coming out from the get-go, until they are on the co. State, everything was pointing to this co. The state was going to lose this case. And the plan they were going to appeal. But in Yanketa na Kabrin Somandala, okay, these people, correct me if I'm wrong, because time difference, I think Kabi Ares Yela Fen called a mile to the Kotanka, right?
Kunu.
Ha.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yela mile to the Kotanka. Now, this thing was in the morning. Kabi Nilumuta at mile 2, your court order violate. Hanna Taranunko, which will be difficult for me to believe. Dawda man, he doesn't need to write this. Expatriate motion in file. He doesn't need to know that. He's the Minister of Justice. But Abenja Halla, knowing this government Katama Nyameng, Abenja Halla Bake, Mule expatriate motion file, DPP, the Director of Public Prosecution, they have signed or whatever, Dawda Jallow man fenkala mutauto. One Obente Jahalla. Fula Kabila Keta, Dawda knowing fully well, this was a violation. This shouldn't have happened. As an honorable man, because they call him honorable, but he is very dishonorable, right? As an honorable man, the number one thing in menkela wole mko kaita ni nyulako aliye menkete ngani silo manta ala stop, and that should have been withdrawn. But muneketa that expatriate motion must withdraw for Kabirim B mol findita. You get the point? Kabirim B mol findita mol fenkata kumata wo time on expatriate motion ni nata find. So nata rununko o chocho ni mamma manke. Dawda was going to remain silent on the issue, and silence means consent. Meaning, if a continue like Ninale, Nin Tilimbaliala, and this man was going to be another sister in Ibetarra in mile 2 Kotenge. So, give me a memphor. And again, a government come credit, in public administration, Ninku Kendo you take credit as the leader, right? But in Ning failure finance you take responsibility. Now, Dawda being the justice minister, Mota Bondinola Nyinko completely. Coming after Yamen, Hanna Tarunko personally, he doesn't need to sign this or write this, expatriate motion. But Kabila Kalamutako Aketale, Dawda Tafala, Ndeta Taraja Esanja, all the way in the United States. Ndea Kalamutako expatriate motion file, Dawda Tara Gambia, Hanna Tarunkabe, because Name Kakatu Tamala, he's always at the airport. I think he's SN Brokers, right? Hanna Tarunkabe, Tama Kanabe Silokan, he must have been aware, fenne keta Gambia sainteng mo be no kalamata Gambia din Gambia di be dunia Dawda hanibe Laos le o Kiribati ya kalamata men keta Gambia. So Dawda should have raised an alarm kaitan dala mulako aliyem men keta anin silo manta ala drop sainteng. But no man ke kota wait for that. What is wrong with Dawda e finti nan kome hakimi afanyame ka finti nan kaitan de ko nyimmen keta is unfortunate ma ndola banko kam falli anunka mol mele kanyim fo anibe mansa kunda bika kumodol fono. What the hell is wrong with our people that nibe man sakunda bika kumodol fono? As justice minister, Findine Afro Menketa is unfortunate, and we are correcting it. We are correcting those that wala na banko dolo kan ninyi sifa kata justice minister the responsibility to resign because he's a state on the justice department. So daranga nyimfo. So Dawda, Dawda Wakela because he is part and parcel of this corrupt system. This system is there puruka banku dingoli badila hakola ila nyantola simply because they are there for their pockets. Dawda is part and parcel of this system. So he cannot be exonerated. Mr. Mbai, with due respect, I'm not saying Abulota like Safaroke. He doesn't need to do that. But by responsibility because attending justice ministry and kabiri keta more than 24 hours abe daring akam Amurna nam kotenke a statement of Bondi talking about the appeal. Who is interested in that appeal? Because that is within your rights. Why are you even bringing that to the attention of the public? But your statement of Bondile being hypocritical, they did not even mention this ex parte motion. So Dawda Jallow is complicit in what happened. And hani melialonko ye tilimbalia ni dulato burufut sate okono. Dawda Jallow is complicit in it. Gambian ol nyanta men kumandila, and I will urge all Gambians that this guy is the most incompetent justice minister Gambian na men soto. Nde men long. Mudi ningol ti debal nga men. And Gambians should join Edward Francis Small Center for Right and Justice to call for his resignation. He is incompetent. He is outrightly incompetent, and he cannot handle.
Okay. Esa, you've you've made that point. Mr. I want to ask you in terms of what the next steps should look like for the government, because they've expressed interest in challenging the judgment coming kila kontan balait and the anila som balait and the kijite nyala e ko be apilo dindala bita high court le ka ko sambaje. So it amira saying ninga tara government be apilo dindila kanyin decision wata ka appeal in terms of what the proper legal steps are, what the next steps are. It amira government nyantaka bula mun simfale noma anim fanam munese keno munese kebaliano fanang under the law nying appeal process wato konome alonko ibe wole kekang, whether these people could be arrested for other matters, or what are the next steps in terms of the appeal process?
Okay, that what question is for me?
Yes, it's for you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Isa kami funga mo ile fanang niya jibe Gambia mo jamal nying case be tembo mintote mo jamal sondo mo kono akami fote wole be mo la mind kono about Ministry of Justice and in Dawda, because na example Jamal jele ay milfo example Jamal ketale nyung kusifal ka ke Gambia ku buka keje wo fana mu problem woleti nyung sifal bari safo noko the Inspector General of Police Amantara, he's not directly answerable to Dawda Jallow. Dawda te wuli lala officer ta telephone ta ka Inspector General of Police order. Dawda nabe diamula Inspector General of Police ya abekela through executive order leti abekela executive decision o mi alonko maybe is from the president or from
the
cabinet
Minister of Interior.
Ministry of Interior wobekela cabinet decisional jama wala or directly from the president, because president atela kumu fango is an executive order wofana mala on loi leti mi alo nganinna constitutional nyen loi dol mankanya president na order direct is an executive order pour ya a carry out will be ka kenole but coming Dawda be silala office abe police all call, IGP call, IGP tying arrest, IGP tying getting. No, I don't think akatama wole nyama. Because atefanang atafan dundila woku sifal kono all the time. But in ying aketele fa pareta. Tengalong there is a lot of politics. Nintol be a jibe political theater nying case kono bakele. Wala tina ala mamango warata. Bari coming yenying mosono mim foteng expert motion koiba appeal. Yala wo fanang political decision ole. Politics at the highest level is in fact aligning case bulaje because abe implicational mean willing kang is gonna cause a national security problem. Abina laban na national security issue la because youth soul gala and in other NGO soul organizational human rights organizational ibe be wulila le ila chocho be wara la problemo be wara la Gambia te moment la fi wala another Gambia damantem fang international organization United Nations and in organization Jamal iba jibe kan mimbe ke kan Gambia right now mimbe hapun kan kunun nimbi ani minketa num fo gala formta ngo belo ni biri ya jamela property soul so will be amanke aka impact soto Gambia damale kono aka impact soto le all over the world concerning Gambia la security so government fanante la fila wala